Hello, everyone. Welcome back to A Glitter Queen's World. My name is Kiara, and today we will be doing a very easy Dollar Tree cross. I think the shape of this one is so pretty, so I grabbed it when I saw it. And I'm going to start by simply removing the hanger and giving this a dry brushing of white and brown paint. I just wanted to make it look more raw, woodsy, if that makes any sense. You'll be able to see what it looks like after I'm done, but I simply take my trippy brush and I use it in one direction so all of the streaks are uniform, and I love the depth that this technique gave this cross. Okay, so once I'm done with my painting, I use acrylic paint and it dries really quickly. So I really didn't have to stop. I kept going after this. As you can see up in the corner, that paint is still wet on the paper. So it dries super fast. And now I'm just going through my greenery. I have a ton of different frosty greenery. Now this is obviously like one for Christmas or winter time. That's the theme of the craft fair. So most of my products will be holiday or winter themed. And I was simply going through my picks, seeing what I wanted to use, seeing what would look good. And I decided on this one. Now, y'all gonna see a lot of this pick here. I get it from Hobby Lobby every year. I'm obsessed with it. It is beautiful. It is my favorite winter pick of all time. And I just cut away two little sprigs, glue them down, and then add some berries. I have a bunch of different types of berries that I also got from Hobby Lobby, but these ones are my absolute favorite. But they don't have a frostiness to them, and I wanted them to tie in with those frosty leaves. So I take a little bit of white paint, mix in a little bit of Mod Podge, and I dab it onto the berries. And while while they are still wet, I sprinkle on, or in this case, I dip it into this crystal clear glitter to give it a snowy, frosty, icy effect. And right here, I am just trying to choose which one of these stickers I wanted to lay at the bottom. I felt like it just needed a little extra something. So I chose one that was big enough to be seen, but small enough to fit in this space here. And I absolutely love it. I got this sheet of stickers from Hobby Lobby while the Paper Studio products were, I think, 40% off. And then I seal it with some matte Mod Podge. That would have been easier if I did this before I put on my greenery, but it really wasn't all that hard. This cross is pretty small and I didn't have a ton of stuff glued to it, so I was able to seal it with no problem. And of course, as a glitter queen, I must add a little sprinkle of glitter all over it because I just can't help myself. And once my frosted berries were dry-ish, I go ahead and attach them with a bit of hot glue. Now this here was a last minute decision, and unfortunately I was out of frame for most of this part, but I simply wrapped some twine around all four sides of the cross and then added the hanger back. In retrospect, I would have done it before I put on the greenery, but I wasn't thinking about this idea until after I had already glued my greenery down. But it wasn't too hard to maneuver around the greenery. But look at how well this came out. Please let me know what y'all think. Is this your aesthetic? I really enjoyed making it. It was super, super easy. Let me know if you would ever give something like this a try. Join the royal family. If you are a glitter queen like me, you gotta join the royal family. Hit that subscribe button and tune in because I have a lot more of these craft fair videos coming your way. I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.